I stuck a yerba mate in here. How cold hardy are they?
Yeah, Yerba mate, I think they'll be hardy down in the low 20s. So
Okay.
I don't know too sure about yours, but here they'll be hardy to 24, 25 degrees with not a single leaf damage. So I'm guessing
Okay.
you may be
We
borderline,
occasionally
but
get in the teens.
yeah.
So if I put it in a protected location, it'll probably do all right.
Yeah, and as it gets older, it's gonna be stronger, like most plants.
So compared to Yaupon holly, I mean, Yaupon holly is a relative.
Right.
This is another. This is Ilex paraguinensis, and Yaupon holly is Ilex vomitoria. Very bad name, but
Yeah,
the
yeah.
caffeine level, is this a high caffeine?
Yeah, high caffeine level. So I use it as a coffee substitute. So I reduce my consumption of coffee and drink more of these. You know,
It's very
try my
good.
best.
What do you do to prepare it?
So I take the leaves. It's similar to the moringa. So I cut the little stems with the leaves and I dry it for 2 or 3 days, and then I will crush the leaves and then pass them through a coffee grinder, and then use the powder with warm water.
Okay.
Make my it's kind of like a tea.
And that's it.
That's it. Yep.
So, and this will grow through pretty much all of Florida, except for the coldest, possibly the coldest areas you'd have to protect it. But
Yeah.
from Orlando all the way down south, no problem.
Well, I'm really guessing from Pensacola all the way down. So I would say
Wow.
probably most of Florida, all of Florida, unless it's a tiny little seedling. But that age and older will probably be hardy in all of Florida.
So yeah, so if you're worried about caffeine, if you don't have a caffeine source, coffee is a little bit tricky to grow, but that one right there,
It'll be local.
yeah,
You'll grow it yourself.
backyard caffeine. You don't want to go through the zombie apocalypse without a cup of tea.
Nope.